liked this straight away. It was a great session, quite interactive and engaging session. And especially I just like the ice-breaking, that activity in the very beginning, which made us all energized and active. And that maintained throughout, till the end, and not engaging part. So I really love to be a part of it. Thank you.
I love the session. I love the host very much, how she introduced the subject and how she introduced all the details.
Well, today's session was quite interesting and engrossing. We came across many new things, and the trainers were really engrossing and keeping ourselves involved in various activities. It was basically holistic development approach was basically taken care of, keeping NAP in mind, and it was an engrossed session. Thank you.